Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, taking the girls out hunting with me. Becca's been wanting to go. She's been wanting to go, just me and her. Unfortunately, we got Emma with us. Okay with me. Me and Becca had to go another time without her. Becca's wanting some alone time hunting, so. Anyways, we're parked in the road. Sounds like there's a car coming, so we're going to get moving. But we're going to go out and see if we can get a coyote put down. Alright.
Cord's on. You see him now? See him, Coyote? Look up past that wall. That's a long shot. See if I'm getting closer. Take a scan, make sure there ain't another one. It's not a turkey, it's a coyote. Tell me it ain't a coyote. I can't move it too hard.
Well guys, we did it. Brought Emma and Becca with me. Got out to the field. This thing was already in the field and I lip squeaked it and it came straight to me. But pretty good sized male. He is dead. Big boy, big male. It's a boy. Fur's a little messed up on this one. What do you think, Emma Grace?
I can't see it.
What do you think about it? You like doing this stuff?
Yeah.
Well, Beck, I got you to go out one other time with me.
Yeah.
You said, oh, look at the bunnies and the deer. This time I brought you out here. We didn't get the call turned on yet. And coyote come out. Pick that thing up tall. Hold it up high so I can see it your size. It's a big old male. Yeah, don't show that side. That's where it came out. Turn him sideways. There you go. What do you think he weighs?
Maybe a good 30, 40.
I'm thinking 30.
30, 40.
Yep.
I am.
Little bit of excitement for me. The bad thing is I got both you girls out here with me for the first time. And didn't get a lot of video on it, so got the video of some deer and stuff, and this thing just popped up over the hill. I'm guessing 250 yards, and the old SD just drilled him right in the heart. Look, the whole shoulder's gone. I mean, I ain't gonna show the hole in the video, so.
I didn't think I was supposed to do it that way. Can. I think I was supposed to.
No, we try not to show all that because some people don't like all that stuff. And YouTube may hold against it. So, what do you think? They go out, throw them in side by side and go kill one more. This happened pretty quick. It's windy. Night's perfect. I wish I didn't have to work. Wish I didn't have school because I hunt all night tonight. It is perfect tonight. What do you think, Grace? Hey.
Good.
This makes number 2 you've been with me, I got. Wasn't even your trip, it was Sissy's trip, but you still here. What'd you just say?
Sit dog down.
I didn't expect that from you. You're going to get another one?
Let's go.
Tell everybody. So until next time, we'll see you later, alligator.
Until next time, I will see you later, alligator.
What we're gonna do next time we go to the field?
Camp workouts.
Cause who's the best team in the world?
Team Zombie.
Me? You?
Is
Becca? You gonna add Keith in there?
Keith. Yeah. Definitely Keith.